Welcome to Redline Review.
Luxury and modernization are combined in the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class mid-cycle update. Here are the main changes. Exterior design. Mercedes' three-pointed star LED headlights and a bigger grille accent the facelift's aggressive front fascia. Reshaped front bumper with wider air intakes makes it sportier. Rear LED taillights and a subtle bumper change complete the external upgrades. Technology and interior. In the S-Class, the MBUX Hyperscreen will integrate the instrument cluster, central infotainment, and a passenger screen across the dashboard. A futuristic cockpit experience is provided by this EQS arrangement. Despite digital advances, user convenience requires tactile controls. Luxury leather, wood, and metal details enhance the cabin's atmosphere. Powertrain options. Powertrains remain varied in the 2026 S-Class. A 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine provides up to 442 horsepower. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 provides 496 horsepower. The flagship 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 produces 621 horsepower. Plug-in hybrids like the S580 E4 combine an inline-six engine with an electric motor for increased economy and a 46-mile electric range. The AMG S63E Performance has 791 horsepower and 1,055 lb-ft of torque from a V8 engine and electric drive. Driver aid and safety. The new S-Class may have a forward-facing camera in the front fender for autonomous driving. Conclusion. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class blends slight visual modifications with considerable technical and powertrain advancements to retain its luxury sedan leadership.